Kasey and I'm the owner of Kasey's Browtique and Beauty here in Great Bar, Birmingham. Booksy has helped me a lot. There's so many features on there that really helps with organisation. I definitely used to double book clients at sometimes, or I'd have some surprise clients. So the fact that Booksy is just there on an app, it's 24/7, my clients can use it whenever they want. It's helped my organisation skills. One of my favourite features has to be the fact that they remind clients. So if a client books in, they'll send a reminder, whether that be a text or an email, and I find at the moment that's really helpful. We all live busy lifestyles and it's really easy to forget something that we've booked, 6 weeks in advance. And also I found that the review section has really helped. I've been really grateful and lucky that I've had some really amazing reviews, and the fact that people can do that and see that on there, it's a real help. I feel like I'm spending less time doing all the back stuff, so the booking in of the clients, explaining all the treatments and the prices. It kind of lets me do what I'm paid to do, and that's look after my client. A lot of my customers absolutely love the fact that they can see my availability right there. I've got quite a few clients who work unsociable hours, so for them, the fact that they can finish work at 3 o'clock in the morning and think, oh, I need to book my eyebrows, my tan, whatever it is they need, they can just go on there. A lot of my clients like to be able to see what I've got available, so they feel like they're in control of booking their own treatments, which is really good. And also they can reorganise themselves, so if they do need to cancel or rearrange an appointment, they don't need to bother me. They can just do it themselves, because it could take a little while for me to get back to them. So my name is Kasey. I am the owner of Kasey's Browtique and Beauty. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and of course, Booksy UK.